Hi there, my name is Abhijit. I created this channel for documenting my personal growth and stuff like that. So, like in this video, I plan to make a system. Okay, so I was already following one, and we all suck in following some rules, right? Yeah, actually, I suck personally. No, I was a person who don't even know why these systems are, how it makes sense. I don't even heard this word system other than in schools operating system. That was the thing. So actually, I was a person like that. So I read this book Atomic Habits last year, and I got I got into lot of ideas and this productive things like that. So that time I was learning about productivity. Okay, so I created a system at that time. You can see there. Okay, I think that one is that. Okay, I have a morning system which I followed about 3 to 4 months at like maybe an year, but I couldn't follow over that. Okay, so let's move on to the system. So I have created two systems, like where you can make some alignments if you need to follow. Okay, anyway, like we have a morning system as well as night system. Yeah, I have this morning system already sorted out during my last year itself. Like the first one of morning system is waking up. So waking up, like you can set time according to your convenience. Okay, I have create set my waking up time at 5:30. Okay, oh before that, we have this for 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour morning system rule or something. Okay, then we have organizing step. We have to organize our bed and all the cluttered things in your room. It's a 5 minute task. Then we have exercise time. I just gave it 30 minutes, which because I have been already doing exercise for uh, some months consistently, so I cannot avoid that. So if you are a beginner, if you want to start, take some low time and going to implement like because we want to get going, we want to keep it going, right? Okay, so that's it. So the next one is like meditation. Like I used to meditate from last 2 months, so I added the time for just 10 minutes. Just 10 minutes. Next reading time. Okay, so the next task is read. Yeah, it's for 15 minutes. So that's it. That's our morning rule. Okay, the morning system. Our 1 hour morning system is this. So okay, so now we have the evening ritual or the night system or whatever you need. Okay, so I haven't made any changes from the book Do It Today. So if you read that book, you can um, rewind these steps. Maybe if you follow this, it's pretty good, great. And if there is someone who already followed these rules and uh, systems and stuff like that, um, let me see in the comments. Yeah, so now we can go through the night system. So how I plan to implement this night system is just exactly where you can see from the book Do It Today. Okay, so they to follow the same rule. Like I haven't made much changes. I think it's exactly the same. So the first 10 minutes I want to close the day. So I want to just review the day and yeah, I just want to close it after reviewing because our brain, as if you have a person who read that book, it always says like our memory cannot remember every stuff. Okay, even though I accept that you have a memory of an elephant, but try writing, it will be helpful one day. So that's it. So I like to review that day, and the next 10 to 20 minutes I plan to prepare for tomorrow. Okay, so 10 to 20 minutes we'll be preparing for tomorrow, like we'll be making plans and stuff like that. The next 20 to 25 minutes prepare your outfit for tomorrow, right? So the next one is 25 to 30 minutes. The last part, visualize tomorrow. So I don't know how it will be because I haven't done that ever in my life. I haven't ever thought of that thing. So like from today I will be following these rules. So that's it. I just want to document this because we'll be having some daily also shorts or something to just follow up this. Yeah, so bye.